Good morning, everyone. Jesse here, coming to you from Prehistoric Trackways National Monument in search of dinosaur fossils. Let's go check it out. This is the entrance right there, and those mountains over there are the Oregon Mountains. There's a house up there. And I guess they're doing some construction over there. And they have a porta potty in case if you need to use the potty. This is the information board. Tells you the history. There's a map there with the trails and the difficulty and rating. That's a big lizard. Here we go. Starting our hike. I don't know where that sun had to come out though. Dragonfly. This is the Ridgeline Trail. If y'all come out here, make sure y'all have plenty of sunscreen and plenty of water, because there ain't no water out here. They don't have any type of services. But yeah, that's pretty right there. Pretty country. And way over there, it's a river. I think it's the Rio Grande River. On the way back, let me check it out. Look at these formation guys. Oh, cow poop. Look at all them pecan trees. It goes all the way down the road, all the way to the other end, and all the way over there. Like miles and miles of pecan trees. They even have signs posted saying not to pick the pecans.